Here I'm going to receive the parcel. Courier man at my threshold. Hello, this is my parcel. Oh, this is one. Okay, it's a very smaller one. Do I have to sign somewhere? No. Okay. Thank you. Drive safe. Hello. Good morning, everyone. So this is the package I just received yesterday. I haven't opened it, so I'm going to open this package. Actually, this is mail-in service. I think I had to open this way, or is there any easiest way? What courier service name I need to mention? It's Flash Express Courier Services. Okay, this shipment it's from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. So we found one more nice secure package inside. Let me see. This is one of my beloved client who's become my very good friend of mine, and I can say, or else I can address him as my well-wisher. Yes, today is my last day of being into this room because my rental gross period is crossed already, more than 10 days. I just managed to pay my landlord a little bit amount because of my sudden loss of job. Oh, you see, this courier service is really good service, I feel, because if you want to ship them back to your client, you have to use this packages, this cover, maybe. Okay, I'm going to secure this for later. Let me see what devices. We received these two devices. This two device, one is iPhone 6, I feel. Yes, this is iPhone 6 A1549, iPhone 6, and this is looks like 7. Yes, my client told me about this. This phone has a problem of network issue. Let me turn on. It's not turning on, so I'm gonna connect this for a charge for a while. Okay, all right. Yes, I can see there is a 0 charge. It takes 15 to 20 minutes to complete the charge. Anyway, I'm gonna place it back here. And this phone problem, he said it's stuck on Apple logo. After booting, when progress bar goes, and it's stuck at the end of the progress bar. This was customer mentioned. Anyway, the parcel came to us very neat and safe and sound. So I suggest this flash express courier, and I honestly I'm gonna recommend to the people, or in the future I'm gonna use it in case if God blessing and all of your support is keep comes on my way, I can be here in this room. I can do my work from home, because as you know that I can't work under any company until unless my pancreatitis problem solved. The sad truth is, doctor told this is chronic pancreatitis. This is has to be go through everyday medication, like lifelong medication. Anyway, whatever. Yeah, sometimes life is so tough, so hard to some people, but we have to show we are tougher than that. Okay, so for that we have to be more strong. Anyway, I'm gonna tilt the screen a little bit because I need okay guys, I'm back. Just finished my lunch. Now it's time around 4:30 I think, because when the sun comes I can see, oh it's a 5 o'clock, it's got to be, because the sun hit directly my eyes. I hope this is not going to. Okay, now we removed this successfully, the baseband CPU. So in order to see is there any damages that we caused while removing this processor, CPU might get damaged, so we have to check that first. Welcome to iPhone. Oh, it's set. It's activated. Going into general about. Oh, we have a Wi-Fi. We have a Bluetooth address, IMEI, modem firmware, all set, all set. It's good. It's good. Ah, successfully we finished this work at the time of 1 o'clock. It's going to be 1.